Hello guys, I'm Mir Sadek and today in this video I will discuss about Zada Finance on Scroll. Okay, but what is Zada Finance? It's a cross roll-up order book DEX built on Scroll. Yes, it's order book DEX, not AMM DEX. You must be familiar with AMM and the order book mechanism. It's the project logo, Zada Finance, like this shape. And Scroll is a zero knowledge rollup testnet deployed on the top of Guerli testnet. By adopting a Scroll infrastructure, Zada Finance can achieve the characteristics of composability, low cost, and high speed. In 2023, Zada Finance will realize the iteration from AMMDX to order book DEX and establish the first cross roll-up order book DEX on Scroll. But what is the characteristics of Zada Finance? Composability, lower gas fee, reduced user fees, and ultimately achieve a fee experience close to zero gas and security. Let's talk about composability. Zada Finance uses Scroll's ZK EVM technology solution. Scroll supports the third level of EVM equivalence compared to other dedicated circuit solutions, making it easier to integrate major DeFi services on Ethereum, but reduced user fees. And here they're exploring a layer 3 solution to further reduce user fees and ultimately achieve a fee experience close to zero gas. Lower gas fee. ZK Rollup is the transaction operation under the aggregation chain and uses zero knowledge proof technology to compress the data of the upchain, reducing transaction gas fees. And in the security section, ZK Rollup integrates Ethereum security to achieve the maximum unity of security, efficiency, and decentralization. Okay, let's talk about Zada Finance website and use it. To use Zada Finance, first of all, we must have faucet in Scroll testnet. To get faucet, it has a mechanism, a default to it that you retweet it and get 10 ZDA. But as I do it before, I can't get the ZDA tokens. I use the Discord of the project, and in this project Discord, in the support section, I enter the wallet address, and the kind moderator of the channel deposited 10 ZDA tokens to my wallet. If you have any further questions or problems with the Zada Finance website, you can write it down here in this channel and the moderators will help you. To get Ethereum as gas fee, you need Ethereum as a gas fee payment, and there are 3 ways to get Ethereum on Scroll testnet. First of all, you can use a Scroll portal bridge to get a faucet or to get Ethereum from, for example, Guerli chain to Scroll testnet. As you can see in the Scroll bridge, you can send Guerli testnet Ethereum to a Scroll alpha testnet. How You can see it here. For example, 5 or no, it's too much. 2 Ethereum. I will send 2 Ethereum to Scroll Alpha testnet. Just pushing this button. In the MetaMask, you can check, confirm the process. I use aggressive to confirm more fast. Okay, I'm too rich on the testnet, Goerli testnet. Okay, here is the process. But how to get, for example, Goerli testnet Ethereum? Here is a way. I use testnetbridge.com. It's powered by Layer 0. You can change real money, for example, Ethereum on mainnet, Optimism, Arbitrum, or for example, Goerli to Goerli Ethereum. As you see, first of all, we must connect our wallet. It is connected here, okay. And I will send Ethereum on Arbitrum. As you can see, 0.001 Arbitrum Ethereum will gain me about approximately 13 Goerli Ethereum. And I will send it in here. I must switch to Arbitrum one, first of all. Then the transaction must be confirmed. Okay, I connect my account. No. Here I will check it again. Transaction failed. I don't know why about in timing here, but the process is like this. Another way is to use Arbiter Bridge to send, for example, tokens from different testnets to Scroll. You can see it in here. First of all, connect your wallet, change the amounts, and finally push the send button. Here is the way. Okay, let's check my balance on the Scroll testnet. It is not done till here, till now. Okay, here is the way. In the swap section, first of all, connect my wallet. Here is the list of wallets you can connect to the website. I use MetaMask, and it says that it's wrong network. Okay, yes, it's previously switched to Arbitrum, and I will check it back to Scroll. Switch, okay, and here is and I have 7 Ethereum on Scroll testnet. Okay, let's swap some tokens to each other. First of all, Ethereum. I will change 1 Ethereum to, for example, ZDA token. It will gain me 35, about approximately 35 ZDA tokens. Okay, swap, confirm swap. I will confirm it on the MetaMask wallet. It's a little bit lazy and it's normal for a testnet. As you can see, estimated gas fee is very, very low. And transaction submitted. Okay. Then I will add some liquidity to a pool. I will add, for example, 1 Ethereum, and it chooses it automatically. Approve ZDA. Again, I need time, more time. ZDA, okay, I will capacity of 100. Okay, it's okay, it's that's net, guys. On the main net, you must be cautious. Approving ZDA. Prices and pool shares 35.8 ZDA per Ethereum. Its rate is for now, and share of pool about 0.24% supply, confirm supply. On the wallet, I will confirm it. Gas fee is very low. Here, I wish this is constant to the mainnet. Close, and it's pending, and we wait. I think it is done. To be done. Yes, it's done. Okay. Let's take a look at faucet. In the faucet section, you can see ZDA contract address. By pressing the link, you will directed to a page that the contract address of the ZDA token is written. You can push the copy address, and on the MetaMask, you can, in the asset sections, here we have ZDA, but I want to show you the way. Import token, pasting the contract address of the token, and it says that token has already been added, as I did it before. But when you do it for the first time, token symbol will be showed in here, ZDA, and its token decimals will be automatically added. Finally, you push the add custom token button. Okay, to get more data about the project, you can use the project official Twitter page as the address @Zada Finance. It's the label of the project, Zada Finance. It's a the project ID is Zada Finance on Twitter, zadafinance.com, the website link, GitHub link, Discord invitation link, and the ecosystem descriptions links are all here. Ladies and gentlemen, I wish you a great day, and I wish this video will be very useful to you. Bye.